Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily stop Siri from announcing calls on your iPhone. If Siri announcing incoming calls on your iPhone feels distracting or unnecessary, you can easily turn it off in just a few simple steps. This feature is designed to read out the caller's name when you are using headphones or connected to a car, but it's not for everyone. If for one of them, let me show you how to easily get rid of this Siri feature. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, select the Siri option. Inside this menu, look for the option called Announce Calls and tap on it. You will now see multiple options like Always, Headphones and Car, and Headphones Only, as well as Never. Now simply select Never and Siri will stop announcing incoming calls entirely on your device. If you still want some control over when announcements happen, you can choose a more limited option instead. For example, selecting headphones only ensures Siri only announces calls when you are wearing headphones, which can be useful while commuting or working out. And that's about it. It's worth pointing out that disabling call announcements doesn't affect your ability to receive calls or notifications. It simply removes the voice alerts on your device. This can be especially helpful in meetings, quiet environments, or when you prefer visual notifications over audio. Overall, it's a quick customization that helps you make your iPhone feel less intrusive and more suited to your daily routine. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.